Greetings friends, and we are doing a very quick tutorial on how to do lettering on Styrofoam. I'm using this quite frequently, so I figured I would make a specific small tutorial just to speak about it. Now, first thing you need to do is you need your template that's printed out onto just standard clear paper, or white paper, not clear paper. Then you'll be gluing it down onto the surface. You don't have to use Gorilla Glue, spray adhesive, but you need a spray adhesive to do it. You want it to stick, but you don't want it to be permanent. Now the next thing you're going to need is a knife. You can use a regular knife. Come on, focus, you silly camera. Anyways, this knife here, I like it because when I do my lines, I can go in there and I can push down vertical to do that line, and I can get pretty deep with no risk of actually causing the styrofoam to pull. And what I mean by styrofoam pulling is when you pull the knife, if it catches, it'll flex and pull the styrofoam away. We don't want that. This knife allows me to very gently and very quickly go through, follow the lines as close as possible. If you can't get it exact, you can. I'm going to go through, do this whole thing, and I'll be right back to talk about how to pull the material out and going on from there. Back. Now, once you have everything cut out, you'll want to go and you'll want to slowly coax your paper off of your surface. It should release decently. Just might take a knife after the fact to get it all up, because of course once you get to a certain point you're going to be running into your knife cuts, but you'll see that it comes up not too badly. And if anything sticks, actually it doesn't stick, it comes up. Anyways, I'm going to pull this all off now, and I'm going to grab a pair of pliers. I'm going to show you how we do the final spot here. Once you've got all the paper off, the next step you're going to need is you can use tweezers, the same knife you use to do all of your work, and a pair of needle nose pliers or even tweezers. It's just something to be able to pull the styrofoam out. So now what the whole goal is, using these three tools, you're just going to go in and you're going to pull out that material slowly and methodically to get these letters all cleaned out. And you use the different tools along with each other and just pull them gently, take your time, and you'll slowly clean out all that material in order to really have nice letters. Now, the whole point of cutting them out, first of all, is to give you those really nice edges that it matches up to. And just like that, you'll see how the letters get all cleaned out, and now I just put on a good movie and sit and while away the time pulling out all this extra material. Anyways, I'm going to keep on going, and I'll be back when it's all done to talk about the final parts. I just realized that there is nothing else to be done after this, so you get a quick montage of me pulling out the letters of Aiken, and I'll show you what it looks like when they're all done. Anyways, this is a fantastic technique. It can be used for more than just lettering. As you see, I even use it for ornaments. Regardless, thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.